Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka JCI India but ka NIINE movement kapala shimkhia laisnem kanthi ban panshai but ban pansung tho shaki kinthai haka kalangari bakin long ki basumar kho yaladi hakaliang ka koi ka khia haka hanriu trek banail ber arjar khar khandai kalapan bana ban Pynlong ya ka Jingïamareh Thong hanang ba Shillong kum shibanta ka jingrakhi ya ka International Women's Day ya ka ba on sedang naplau ka Shillong club haka pon hanriu bajiman step haka ba on sakawe lama daga Deputy Commissioner ka East Ka Sales District Ikong Matsiudor Warnongbri.
In Shillong, we are going to start the walkathon from Shillong Club premises, and the route will be from Shillong Club towards Niine Pollock, and will turn from Camelback Road in cycling Governor House and moving towards SP office and ending at Shillong Club again. The registration will start from 6 AM onwards, and the flag walk will be done by our DC ma'am, and it will be from 6:30 and end at 7:30. Basically, this event is going to be a very big event, a pan-India event. So I love and request every Shillong to come. It's both the gender can be the part of this. Men and women, students, college girls, and everyone have been a part of this and make this event a great event for our Shillong.